Alright, new print. Let's see how it went. Yeah, this is really pen. Alright, so now it's gonna be like this. I need to clean this up. To just get rid of these. These are some small wrenches. Came with my Ender 3 V3 SE. I had a place for them, but since I'm making an enclosure for my printer, I don't have space for them anymore. I mean, maybe I could put them, hang them on my enclosure outside of it later, but currently I just wanted to hang them to my pegboard. So that is what we are going to be doing in a minute. Now, so temporarily I'll just be this is a little bit. Let's see if it fits. Wow, pretty amazing. Just tiny little thing, you know. Really happy.